The Bentley Turbo R, produced between 1985 and 1997, is a high-performance luxury sedan that played a pivotal role in reviving Bentley's reputation for combining opulence with dynamic driving capabilities, engine, and performance. At the heart of the Turbo R is a 6.75-liter turbocharged V8 engine, initially derived from the Mulsanne Turbo. In 1987, the engine received significant enhancements, including the addition of Bosch Motronic fuel injection, boosting power to approximately 296 horsepower and torque to 487 pounds-ft. This setup enabled the Turbo R to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 6.7 seconds, with a top speed around 135 miles per hour. Transmission and handling. The vehicle is equipped with a 3-speed automatic transmission, later upgraded to a 4-speed unit in the 1995 new Turbo R model. The Turbo R featured a retuned suspension system, wider tires, and aluminum alloy wheels, first for Bentley, enhancing its road handling and cornering capabilities. Dimensions and weight measuring approximately 207.4 inches in length, 79.0 inches in width, and 58.7 inches in height. The Turbo R has a wheelbase of 120.5 inches. It has a curb weight of around 5,270 pounds, reflecting its substantial build and luxury features. Production and variants. Over its production run, 7,230 units of the Turbo R were produced, with both short and long wheelbase versions available. In 1997, the Turbo RT variant was introduced, featuring further refinements and limited to 252 units. Legacy. The Turbo R is often credited with restoring Bentley's reputation for performance, earning acclaim as the first Bentley in decades deserving of the famous name. Its blend of luxury and driving dynamics set a new standard for the brand, influencing future models like the Bentley Arnage. Today, the Bentley Turbo R remains a sought-after classic, celebrated for its timeless design and the harmonious fusion of luxury and performance.